Hello friends, welcome to C# Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. In this video, we are going to look at some of the prompt related properties. So the controls here, hide, mask on, leave, that's one checkbox, and then beep on error, then setting the prompt character. These three UI element we are going to implement in this video. And all these are related to prompt characters. So these are all the slides from the previous video. So in the last video, we talked about mask full and mask completed property and how we can use those properties at runtime. So hide prompt on leave property shows the prompt characters only when the control is in focus. By this time, you know what is prompt character and what is literal. So for a quick preview, let's take the same example. So this is the mask property. At runtime, it will display like this, right? These are the prompt character, 2_ adjoined together. And this is the prompt literal. So hide prompt on leave property shows the prompt characters only when the control is in focus. That means, this will be like this. So once you leave the control, it will look like a normal text box, but once you enter inside the control, the prompt characters will be shown. So that's the use of this hide prompt on leave property. So using this property, we will implement this portion of our example. So we will examine this property using this UI element. And if you see here, we are handling the checked changed event of this one, and we are taking the check state of the chk hide mask. So this is our checkbox control, and the checked state will return a boolean, and we are directly assigning that to the hide prompt on leave. So if you place a check mark, it will return true. That means you are setting the hide prompt on leave to true. So the next one is BeepOnError property. So if your Windows system plays an wave file, the error is related to a wave file, and if a proper wave file is assigned in the control panel, using sound property, you have to search for system beep, and if there is a wave file is assigned, that wave file will be played using this property BeepOnError. Okay, so when will this a beep will be played? So the beep will be played when we set this property to true. First we have to make this property to true, BeepOnError to true. Then here in the placeholder, if you see here in this example, 00 00 00 00, that means the digit expected is from 0 to 9. If a user types character A here, and if this property is set to true, user will hear a beep message, not beep message. So whatever is the error sound, that will be played using this wave file. All right. So here, once user places a check mark here, we are handling the checked changed event, and we are setting this property based on the checkbox value. So once you turn it on, the property is turned on. then you can hear a error sound whenever user presses whenever you press a wrong character in the placeholder. So after that, if you see here, the default prompt character is underscore, right? So we can change that using the PromptChar property. So here, PromptChar property, the btn set is there, right? So we are handling the click event. Then from this is also a masked edit control only, and it is displaying underscore at this moment. I think we set C here as a mask. Okay, that's not important. So here we read the content txt mask prompt char, that's the control name of this one. Then we are reading the text property, just like normal text box, we are reading the text property, and we are converting that to the character. After that, we are assigning it to the prompt char. So that means if user want to set a different prompt character, here it is underscore underscore, right? If user places a asterisk, instead of underscore, asterisk will be displayed as a prompt character. All right, all these three properties are related to prompt character. So hide prompt on leave, when it is checked, the prompt character will be displayed when the control is in focus. Beep on error, system error sound will be played when a wrong character is keyed in. Then masked edit control, PromptChar, that we can change using the PromptChar property. Now we will go to the demo and experiment this. So selecting this control and checked changed. This is what we need to handle. So hide prompt on leave. Now we will test this. So now we are not in the, okay, let me click here. So if you see, the hide mask on leave is in checked state, and the control focus is here on a different text box, right? Now if I enter here, the time only it will show the prompt characters. So here we are hiding the hide mask on leave. That means here we are hiding the mask, I mean the prompt character, but you can see till the literals are displayed. So it just hides the prompt character, that's all. Okay, now if I remove this will, the prompt character as well as literal both will get displayed always, and it displays only the literals now. Now we will go ahead and implement this BeepOnError. So if you are in the properties, you have to switch to the event tab, then handle the checked changed. Here we are setting BeepOnError for this property. So in the control panel, click on the sound icon, then I'm going to sound. So default beep. So this is the sound. So when we type a wrong character, it will play this sound, and if we want to change, so Windows ding, this is what I am choosing, and you can hear that sound. We will apply this. So now we are choosing BeepOnError, and you can hear that sound. Now I am typing the correct character. This time I will press A, right? So that's the use of a BeepOnError. Now we will go ahead and change our prompt character. Here I am double clicking it, so it will handle the click event. Now we can check that also. So let's go with the same mask, and here prompt character is underscore, right? This time I'm placing prompt character as asterisk, and if I say it, you can see asterisk is placed here. Now I can start typing it. Now let's change it to ash or tilt. So this way you can change your prompt character. So that's all here. So all these are related to the prompt characters. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.